I was up here scouting around the other day and found this little flat. That's the corner of what used to be a pasture. And I thought, man, that'd be an awesome little hidey hole food plot, and not much more than 1/10 of an acre. I think I just came in with my hunt stand app and walked around what I want to clear to mark, so when I'm on the machine I can kind of guide myself around. I'm going to mark me a trail out that I'll cut with the machine on the way in. But you can see this thing is pretty growed up. I mean, a lot of these cedars will come out. There's not much right here in the middle, but it goes quite a ways. What I notice is there's 6 or 8 persimmon trees right on the edge of this thing. It'd be a great food source in September, October. There's a giant cedar tree right there that'll be an awesome stand site for the prevailing wind. And there's a big drop off back in there behind me. So it'll be a killer stand location. So one thing I've learned, if you're going to put in a food plot, make sure you got a good place to put a deer stand before you start clearing. It'd be kind of silly to get a spot clearing and not even be able to hunt it. And so this will be an awesome spot to bow hunt. So here's a little micro plot. It's maybe 1/10 of an acre, just a little hidey hole plot tucked back in a cedar thicket. I've got a great big cedar tree right there that my stand will be in, and then I piled a lot of the cedars and stuff around the edge. Basically, I only want the deer to enter on my road that's over here to my right, or anywhere up in there. I don't want them coming around in behind my stand, getting downwind of me. I'll have a good wind right out over that big holler there. So plot is, I'm gonna say 95% done. I'm gonna bring the mower in here, mow it. I've got a few stobs sticking up. I'm gonna knock those down with that big the Veil X brush cutter. Couple other little trees. That one persimmon is kind of stuck out in the middle of the plot, and I just can't decide if I want to leave it. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 around the edge, and then one right in the middle, and it may even be a male tree. So I might just leave it till springtime, and once they bloom, you can identify a male or female persimmon by the bloom. So I'll check it in the springtime and see. But man, I'm tired for one, but I'm really excited the way this plot turned out. It looks really good. It looks really good, and it's ideally located. There's a water source. The pond is right there, and it's already, there was a natural travel route right through here. I followed a deer trail when I was making my road into the plot.